Hi everyone, I'm Adam Popine and I'm a realtor here in Kamloops, BC. Welcome to our channel where we talk all things real estate, buying, selling, and what it's like to live in this beautiful city. Today we're going to be going through all the steps of the home buying process, so whether you're a first-time home buyer or simply need a brush up, this video is for you. So let's get started. Before we get started with the process, don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons below to help us grow our community. First of all, a big congratulations on making the decision to buy a home. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or an investor, or maybe this is going to be your forever home, we know that this is a big deal. Buying a house can be a very rewarding experience. We know that there's a lot of steps that go into finding you a property that meets your needs, matches your lifestyle, and is ultimately purchased for a fair price. The first step of the home buying process is to consult with a realtor. During this initial meeting, whether over the phone or ideally in person, we'll get to know each other. We'll talk about your goals, your price range, your preferred locations, and we're also going to touch on current market conditions. Together, we're going to create a list of likes, dislikes, and must-haves so that we can narrow down your search and match you with the best possible homes on the market. The next step is to get pre-approved. This seems incredibly simple, but you'd be surprised how many people we start working with that simply don't know what their budget is. So to avoid falling in love with a home that's outside of your price range, we strongly recommend that you sit down with either a mortgage broker or a lender to submit an application for pre-approval. During this process, they're going to request a lot of personal information and documents to approve you for a mortgage. Once you have that approval, you'll know exactly what your price range is, and you'll know what you can afford for a new home. Now the fun begins and you can start looking for homes. We'll start by creating a customized client portal that will update you by email every time a new property comes on the market that matches your search criteria. In Kamloops, the portal is called PCS, which stands for Private Client Services. This is a super user-friendly, powerful tool to search for real estate. Not only does it update you when new homes come on the market, but you also get updates when there's price reductions or other important changes. The portal is also completely customizable at any time. During your search, we'll also continue to update you on the market, book showings, and answer any questions about specific properties that you might have. When you've found the one, the next step is to submit an offer. We'll write a competitive offer tailored to your needs and timeline. We'll provide our professional advice on the value and negotiate with the sellers or the seller's agent to ensure that you are purchasing this property at the best possible price and conditions. Once an offer is accepted, it's crunch time. A few things are going to happen pretty quickly afterwards. Based on the specific conditions in your offer, the next step we recommend to clients is to book any inspections required to satisfy those conditions by the agreed upon dates. If any deficiencies are found, we'll be here to advise you and help you with any further negotiations if required. You'll also want to confirm your financing. Even if you're pre-approved, the lender may require additional documentation or an appraisal on that specific property. So work with your mortgage broker or with your bank to get your loan fully approved. Ahead of subject removal, the next step is to provide your realtor with the predetermined deposit, which is stated in the offer. This shows the sellers that you're committed to the home. It's held in trust by the brokerage and ultimately makes up part of your purchase down payment. Now that you've completed all of your conditions and any additional negotiations with the sellers, it's time to waive your conditions. This is also known as subject removal. This step confirms that you have fulfilled all the conditions of the contract and that you are purchasing the property. This is when you can really start to celebrate. As you prepare to move into your new home, we'll recommend movers and other trusted industry professionals as needed. You'll also want to meet with your preferred lawyer or notary to sign any of the required legal documents. The last step on the home buying journey is completion and possession, also known as your closing dates. Completion is the day that you are registered on title as the new owner. This step has to happen before you start moving any of your belongings into the property. Possession is the day that you officially get the keys. With purchases in BC, the possession date is usually the day after completion date. It's done that way because we don't know exactly what time your name will register on the day of completion. Now all that's left to do is to celebrate. Congratulations, you are officially a homeowner. On moving day, we'll be there to hand over the keys and make sure that you're comfortable in your new home. I hope you found these steps to home buying helpful. If you like the information in this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more real estate tips. If you're looking to purchase or sell a home in Kamloops or the surrounding areas, you can also book a call or a meeting with me by clicking on the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your home search.